Hello, everyone. Today is going to be Tuesday when you're watching this. I'm filming this a little bit early because this weekend I'll be trying to catch everything up because I'm going to be busy Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday all day long with a drive, maybe 2 hours in the morning, an hour back, 8 hours there. So maybe 11 hours, 12 hours each day with a mock jury. Now, can I tell you what that mock jury is about? No. It is an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement. Will not say anything, but today we will be doing this as a Tuesday, a taste test Tuesday, and we're going to be taste testing JOJO'S. Now, I did another one back that way of JOJO'S. I have a total of 3 flavors of these. I'm not doing them all at the same time because, you know, then we're all JOJO'd out. But JOJO has an interesting story. It's a lady who liked chocolate, dark chocolate, healthier chocolate. Dark chocolate is better, and she had cancer. She had cancer. Sadly, she has passed on, but she wanted to enjoy some chocolate in her life. So she battled cancer for 7 years, and she came up with her own kind of chocolate treat. A lot of the stuff that we like to eat is really good tasting, but maybe not too good for ourselves, especially if you're going through some kind of a cancer treatment or a cancer program, or you have the disease of cancer. You probably have to be very selective of what you eat. Sometimes maybe we get stomach issues. Sometimes maybe it's not good for us as a product or a food to consume. We don't want to eat something that might interfere with something else. A lot of times with some of these problems we have, it's our we don't have an appetite, and they're not eating. People, not they, it could be me, it could be you. We're not eating because we're sick, and they want to make sure that we're getting a lot of, that we are eating, we're getting the nutrients we need, we're getting the fluids we need. Sometimes that's why they give you IVs, of course. But this is what's in this one. I like the other one. Dark chocolate, pistachio, almonds, and cranberry. Like I said before, I never really knew I liked cranberries. I usually thought I did not like cranberries. This only has 1 gram of sugar per bite, and it does have 4 grams of protein. Is it per bite? Yeah, per bite. And I'll see what the serving size is and all of that. It looks like the serving size is 3 bites. And that you'll get 13 grams of carbs, 3 grams of dietary fiber, 3 grams of sugars, and it has 2 grams of something else. I don't know, but it works out to being it looks like a net maybe 3 grams of carbs. I'm not really sure. 70% dark chocolate. Now they have different levels of chocolate. They call it cacao. So yeah, so the JOJO'S has 3 grams of sugar. The leading candy bar has 18 grams. They have one of these if you want to get some more information about them. Now, I don't know where they sell these, but I got this one and the other 2 varieties I have. I won't tell you what the other one is, but the one that I've already done was like a sea salt and caramel, I think it was. If you go back that way, you can see it, me eating some JOJO'S. So this is what the photo looks like. Now, I don't really think that, we know that these are, you know, these didn't just fall off of that candy bar, that dark chocolate bite. And I don't think it's going to really look like, maybe like that. We will open and find out. So these are purposeful ingredients to satisfy your cravings. Some people get cravings, of course, for chocolate. Some people get cravings for some kind of nuts. They say that we as a diabetic, I can have some almonds. And some of the keto diets say to have it with salted almonds because they say you should increase your salts and your fats, which is kind of weird because we're not used to that kind of a thing in our diets. We're thinking, well, I'm on a diet, I have to eat less and exercise more. I'm on a diet, I need to just eat less. That's what we hear eat less, eat less. We don't hear a healthy diet. You must have a healthy diet and increase your exercising to reduce your waistline, your weight, and then also all the things that go along with that. Maybe if you have a problem with blood pressure, the additional weight will be an issue. If it's blood sugar, same thing. High cholesterol, whatever those things. Even stress on your knees because you're carrying that extra weight. So we have to be careful with that. Now, I don't see, we do see the photo here, and I'm going to go on a limb and say I don't think it's maybe necessarily look like that. We'll see what it does look like, and what does it smell like, and most importantly, what does it taste like? Whoa. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, now, as we see, this is what I got. It does have stuff on top, but does it really look like that? Not really. That big, beautiful cranberry, these green pistachios. It looks not exactly like that. It smells good. It smells like dark chocolate. Like I said before, kind of like that special dark that Hershey's comes out with. They used to have it out all the time, but now I think it's seasonal. And sometimes they do put those in the little miniatures. There'll be some of those. When I was a kid, people didn't like those. So whenever time those would come up, they'd always be in the bottom of the bowl. Everybody would eat all the, you know, the little Hershey bar, the Hershey with almonds, the crackle, whatever. But they'd always leave those, and I would whoop, pull them out and put them in my room or in my hat or something. Stick it in your hat, keep it under your hat, and then I'd eat the rest of them with everybody else. So let's go see what this tastes like. Good. And here's what it looks like once you bite into it. And it does taste good. I remember just whipping through here. You hear, zzz, you might have heard it on the camera. I don't know if you can hear it, but he went whipping through. Okay, so it does have everything it says it has. However, the appearance is not. I think this one here looks more appealing than this one. But that doesn't necessarily mean this is ugly. It is not. I guess there's 9 of these in here. 3 servings of 3, it says. And the serving size is 3. So it's 3 and 3, 9. So, good. Yeah, very good. Now, if I had that, someone gave it to me, I would just think that's a dark chocolate piece of candy or bite or whatever they want to call it. I wouldn't necessarily think it's to do anything other than be tasty. So that's good. Like I said before, lots of things that happen to us diet-wise. We just cannot enjoy some of the things we did before. Wiener Schnitzel, for example, all their hot dogs come on buns, and they do have the one that they chop it up and they put in a bowl. No one wants to eat that. I used to like to get the Polish sandwich, and I'd get, instead of the rye bread, I get a hot dog bun at the bottom and a hot dog bun on top. That's a lot of carbs. If I do that now, I could modify it by having just make it like a hot dog. You know, put the pickle and the cheese and the mustard, whatever, in one hot dog bun as a hot dog versus flat as a sandwich. I don't know why they haven't really. Maybe they have explored a keto bun there. I don't know. Some of these places that don't have keto items. I know a lot of them they'll have vegetarian. The vegetarian hot dogs, I got that for Emily, and I think they were like $4.80 each was the cheapest one, and then they went up to like maybe $6. Whereas like a mustard dog is $2 something there, which is expensive. You know, things have gone more expensive everywhere. But this story is pretty interesting. Maybe you're having a health issue where they want you to increase your appetite. They want you to increase your intake of foods. And this might be something that you would like to incorporate. Please don't forget to subscribe. Boop, 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 boop. Do you love JOJO'S? Have you tried JOJO'S? Have you tried the other flavors of JOJO'S? I don't know. You may really like this a lot. I do. I like the other flavor a lot too. I thought this flavor would be the flavor I would probably like the least because I'm not really a big fan of cranberries. I do like pistachios. I do like almonds. I do like dark chocolate. So if it looked like this, I may not like it as much as the one I had because I don't really like too much of the dried cranberry. But yeah, so this is so maybe an option that you can have where you wouldn't be able to have a dessert elsewhere, a treat elsewhere. Now, being portable, yeah, very. You can take a whole bag and throw it in your lunch bag as long as you don't eat the whole thing. I guess. But as with chocolate, it's going to melt. So a lot of people want to just put it in a little bag and throw it into their in a small plastic bag, throw it in their brown paper bag, and then it melts everywhere. That can happen. Here, this is a resealable bag. Pop in the refrigerator. This you probably, if you took it to work, you gotta keep it in your lunch bag and staple your lunch bag so people don't open it up and start eating it. Take care, everyone. Have a great day, night, week, whatever. This is Tuesday, Taste Test Tuesday for JOJO'S dark chocolate bites, plant-based protein. So it is plant-based. So pistachio, almond, and cranberry. Take care, everyone.